Hi, this is Shankar. I'm going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for primary and upper primary class students. Today my class is properties of natural numbers. Properties of natural numbers. The second property is called as a commutative property. Already we discussed a closure property. Here commutative property divided into four kinds. Commutative property divided into four kinds. Commutative property under addition, commutative property under subtraction, commutative property under multiplication, commutative property under division. Now we are going to discuss each one. Here commutative property under addition, commutative property under addition. Here small a comma b belongs to natural numbers, small a comma b belongs to natural numbers. Here what will happen? A plus b is equal to b plus a plus b is equal to b plus a belongs to also natural numbers. If it is satisfied this condition, it will be work out in commutative property under addition. Suppose I am taking to a is equal to 1, here b is equal to 2, here a comma b is a positive values. Here I am going to substitute in this 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. Here left hand side 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, here also 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is a positive, left hand side is equal to right hand side value, this is also belongs to natural number. Here commutative property under addition is follows or work out here. The second property, commutative property under subtraction, commutative property under subtraction. Here a comma b belongs to natural numbers, that implies a minus b is equal to b minus a minus b is equal to b minus a also belongs to natural numbers. If you satisfy this condition, commutative property under subtraction is also work out or follows. Here suppose I am taking to a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, that implies I am going to substitute in this LHS and RHS values. Here 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 1. Here what will happen? 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Here 2 minus 1 means plus 1. Here minus 1 does not equal to plus 1. This is also does not equal to natural numbers. Natural numbers. Why means negative value is not considered to natural numbers. That's why commutative property under subtraction is not work out or not follow this property. The next property, commutative property under multiplication. Under multiplication. Here small a comma b belongs to natural numbers. That implies a into b is equal to b into a. A into b is equal to b into a. That is also belongs to, this results means nothing but this output is belongs to natural numbers. Here I am going to take example a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. That implies these values I am going to substitute LHS and RHS values. Here 1 into 2 is equal to 2 into 1, that is also belongs to natural numbers, means 1 into 2 is nothing but 2, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. Here 2 also positive number, LHS is equal to RHS here, this 2 belongs to natural numbers. That's why commutative property under multiplication is follows or work out in this property natural numbers. The last property, commutative property under division, commutative property under division. Here a comma b belongs to natural numbers. That implies a divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Also belongs to natural numbers. If you satisfy this condition, commutative property under division is follows or work out this property. Let us take a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. That implies 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Here what will happen? 1 by 2 is a fraction, is equal to 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Does not equal to, half is equal to 2. Does not equal to, this is also does not equal to natural numbers. Means here fractions is not a natural numbers. That's why commutative property under division is not follows or not work out in natural numbers. Here totally commutative property under addition is follows, subtraction is not follows, multiplication is follows, division is not follows. 2 follows, the rest of the 2 is not following. Thank you.